In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the country of your Gmail account using your Google account settings. This is a quick and simple process, and it can be useful if you've moved to a new country or you want your account details to reflect your current location. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to myaccount.google.com in your browser and sign in with the Google account connected to your Gmail. Once you're inside your Google account dashboard, look at the left side menu or the top menu depending on your screen and click on Personal Info. This section is where Google stores your account details like your name, birthday, phone number, and address information. Next, scroll down until you find the Addresses section. This is the part where Google lets you manage your home address and related location details. Click on your home address to open it. Now you'll see the current address information saved on your account. To update the country, erase your current country field, type in your new country, and then select the correct country from the drop-down list that appears. Make sure you choose the right option so Google saves it properly. After that, click Save to confirm the change. Once achieved, your Google account address details will be updated with your new country. And that's it. You've successfully changed the country tree on your Gmail account through your Google account settings. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.